We alphamantraining.com going to gym to make same DLA with hot gym girl. If you searching hot girls who have round asses, big boobs, trained, toned body, so the gym is the best area to find, because there's no girl who has amazing body without gym. She should go to the gym in order to have sexy, toned, good body. Next thing, if you would like to have regular sex partner, so gym girl is the best option, because most of them, they know how to cook, and they cook the food which gives a lot of protein and very good for your muscles, for growth. They have good habits. A big percent of them in a process of learning something, so they have good mindset, they are positive, and they are good for long-term relationship to develop. At least have a regular sex partner. So when I flew to Washington DC, I approached that girl in the gym and I made same DLA. The same DLA means I approached here, I did cold approach pickup, just I didn't know that girl. She was on treadmill running. I came to here, I approached, and I did AMT systems, and I slept with her after 2 maybe hours, and everything I recorded in this DVD below. It is below link. So we Alphaman Training received some like wishes. What do you want? What new product would you like to get? So you said like it would be great to create from approach to sex in the gym version 2. So we are in the process of thinking about this DVD to create version 2. This time probably will be in Europe. But in general, girls around the world are the same. They cannot change their genes, so they respond the same actually. And in this new DVD, would be new location, how we prepare, how we scan girls for same delay. For example, what clothes a girl wear in order to make same delay. So how to recognize same delay girls. What other things? Actually, you can write in comments what you would like to hear to learn in new DVD from approach to sex version 2. So definitely we will respond and we will add those things in our new DVD. What else? The weather is now, I would say, it's warm. It's around maybe 17 degrees Celsius. So in Fahrenheit, I don't know how much it will be. A lot of girls walking. So in this eastern part of Europe, from 10 girls, maybe 6 or 7 are beautiful. It's very good ratio. Most of them speak English here. So if you are interested in real training, so you definitely must read our book, How to Become an Alpha Man, to see all our seduction stories, how we changed, and be prepared for training. Read, if you want to get training, read and learn everything from basic products. So how to become an alpha man, read this book. Second, pick up online training courses, watch this DVD to learn AMT systems, basics of AMT systems, and watch DVD how to dance with a woman in order to learn how to dance with a girl. Those are our main necessary products in order to get training. We will not allow you to attend training if you will not read and watch those products. And moreover, we will ask questions about those products. Did you learn or not? And you will easily approach such walking girls after training. You will know what to say, how to talk to them, how to seduce them. So your confidence will be amazing, will be very high. You will not afraid of anything. You will go through life and will reach everything you want in life. So wish me amazing day. I'm walking to gym to make same day with hot gym girl, if she will be, because after this product below, you will be better off noticing same day girls at the gym. And pretty much that's it. Wish you amazing day. See you.